I was actually just kind of searching for somebody to redo my floor, and I got a couple quotes from a couple different types of flooring, and I come across Canton Epoxy, and I want to use a local company, so we went from there. The crew was very good, knowledgeable. They did a good job. They were efficient. They were here on time when they said that they would be, and they finished up on time when they said that they would. They did an excellent job. They did a very good job. I gave out a couple leads already, and they're very interested after seeing the finished product, and they were quite impressed. So very professional, didn't do anything wrong, treat you very nice.